Hi friends! I don't know about you, but I am so thankful to be in these last few days of winter. It has felt like such a long winter for many reasons, and as the days are starting to get longer and the temperature is starting to rise, I'm looking forward to spring and what lies ahead for our family. Today I'm making an easy dinner. It's also very budget friendly. Cajun chicken Alfredo. I have the chicken with the Cajun seasoning already in the oven, and I'm making the sauce here. I use cream cheese, milk, butter, flour, and Parmesan cheese. We also like to add steamed broccoli. I know there's many ways to make an Alfredo sauce, but as a family, we definitely prefer making it using cream cheese. During these final days of winter, I'm enjoying getting out into the fresh air. There are still these colder days that can bring a little bit of snow, but they are followed by warmer days and the sprinkling on the ground doesn't last. The snow from the winter is slowly starting to melt, and the birds that left for the cold winter months are now starting to return. I'll admit my reading the past couple of months has been lax. My attention has been focused elsewhere. But as we are now in the middle of March, I have been taking these quick moments to read, and I'm hopeful that 2 books will be finished by the end of the month. We got this little blanket for Christmas, and Penny absolutely loves it, and she loves to come cuddle up on it with us. And Penny has definitely claimed it as her own. It was so warm this day, it really did feel like spring was already here. The frost was coming out of the ground, and you could feel it underfoot. This church is located on the historic site of Grand Pre. Grand Pre is one of the locations of the mass deportation of the Acadians. This church is a reconstruction on the site of the original church, where the Acadians gathered. This is a Parks Canada site, and it is currently closed for the season, but this summer, when it reopens, I will take you inside and share more of its history. For dinner tonight, I'm keeping it simple. I have fresh smoked bacon in the oven, and I'm pairing it with a side of peas and these potatoes that I'm going to roast in the oven with some olive oil and this roasted garlic and red pepper seasoning. It is one of my favorite seasonings to cook with. Happy spring, friends. Thank you for joining me. Stay safe and be well, and I'll see you in the next video.